nyaya ye2030 bid and constitutional amendment aiwa yachizonetsa manje yachizokura moto. Notoona kuti vanhu veZim Daily vauya vaitaura pamusoro penhau iyi vachiti they faced aiwa harsh criticism panhau ye2030 bid. Sandapinda mashoko avataura paplatform pavo noti bva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Notoona nyora vachiti we faced harsh criticism on this platform when we suggested that ED, a president who assumed the power unconstitutionally, would seek to unconstitutionally extend his term. Some of you cited an interview he gave to the state broadcaster where he claimed he would adhere to the 2-term limit. ED has started to endorse the treasonous chant 2030 pamunanga govaninge vachitonga. Not only is this chant a clear violation of the constitution, he swore to uphold, but is enough of a ground to impeach him. For those who believe ZANU-PF's 2/3 majority grants the president the power to extend his term, you are mistaken. While ZANU-PF can amend the constitution explicitly states that it cannot be amended to benefit the incumbent. Chamisa is the next president, would be the beneficiary of the amendment. Lomashukano yenye kopana pane Zim Daily vachiti aiwa ED Mnangagwa is not the right to amend the constitution. Wazara vachiti aiwa according to the constitution that law cannot be amended. Inokwanisa kutozo amendewa kana patwa na president munyuwani avari kusteta vachiti vanozonchamisa. Saka chimbotodzai mafungiro enyu noti kudii panhau constitutional amendment ne2030 bid. Pinda comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, musano subscribe bakulike chinotina on the bell icon.